In this video, we'll see how to monitor individual student progress. I'll do that either by class or by set. So first, let's try going to a class and looking at the class members. Here I can select a student. Let's just select this one. Students can also create sets using Quizlet, which can be very useful as they grow older. I'm going to look at this Studied tab to see what the student has studied. It tells me a list of the sets they've studied and when they finished the studied tasks. So if I assign a specific study task, such as Learn, which is what this icon represents, if I assign Learn for homework, and I assign it on Thursday and it's due on Friday, I can see when it's completed and award credit for completing it. When the icon looks like this and it's not fully blue, it means the student has started the study task but has not finished that task. And this shows a record of her study activity throughout time. She's done a lot of studying. I can also monitor student progress through sets. So if I return to my class, I can select class members here at the top. Oh no, I just did that, I'm sorry. I can select a set, let's just choose the first one, and take a look at class progress. And I can click on students here and access that same portal. Or I can, let's go back. Oh dear. Let's go to the class, the set that I have assigned, and the class progress again. Here I can have a quick overview of each individual student, as I mentioned in the previous video, and I can see which tasks they've completed. So if I assign throughout the week all of the study tasks, I can check them on one glance here to see who has completed them. Gray icons mean that the student has not started. Background gray, front blue means the student started but hasn't finished. And blue with the white in front here, like these, means the student has completed the task. So that's one way to look at student progress. If I click scores, I can also see quickly by scrolling down the list of names of who has completed Learn and who has completed Speller. Those are some of the ways that I look at individual student progress. Unfortunately, we don't have specific data such as this student always gets this term wrong. It's not that specific, but it's still useful to see whether or not students are using it. And in my experience, every time a student uses this tool and learns how to use it correctly meaning they're using it in a way that contributes to learning, meaningful studying, they internalize information and it is a valuable tool for them. So getting them to study here and complete these tasks, knowing that they've done that, is a start. Perhaps in the future Quizlet will be developed to the point where we'll have more specific data broken down for each student. But at this point, that's the way I use and track individual student progress.